You know, I like to say, what is Jewish music? It's music that is used by Jews more than by other people, and therefore becomes associated with Jews more than with other people. So the melody for Hatikvah, for example, started off as it was a farmer's song from, was it Moravia, somewhere around there, Karol Kuboy. And then a farmer in pre-state Israel, in Rishon LeZion, decided he would sing Imber's poem to that melody. Now, in America, certainly, more people think of that melody as being Jewish music than of being Eastern European, Bulgarian music. So it's that association that becomes important. So, you know, whatever Jews are in the future, it's going to be whatever music that they use to express their Jewishness that will be considered Jewish music. And as long as there are people who want to express themselves, that aspect of their identity, and music is a very important part of, or means of, what we call identity negotiation. You know, I am an American, I'm a Jew, I'm a Democrat. You know, there are so many different parts of my identity. And we use music in many ways to validate those identities. Or even in a negative sense. You know, if I go to a party and people are singing Christmas carols and I don't sing them, by my not singing, I'm making a statement. I had a friend who, in the late 60s, when he would go to a ball game and everybody would stand up to sing the national anthem, he made a point of sitting down and not singing, as protesting the policies of the Johnson and Nixon administrations at that time, the Vietnam era. So we express ourselves in music. We express our identity, whether it's political, ethnic, religious,